Welcome to this tutorial on how to use QuickBooks Desktop, a comprehensive accounting software designed to help small businesses manage their finances efficiently. To get started, you will need to install and set up QuickBooks Desktop on your computer. First, launch the application and create a new company file by selecting the File menu and then New Company. Enter your company information, including name, address, and tax identification number. Choose the industry and business type that best describes your company, as this will help QuickBooks tailor the setup process to your specific needs. Next, set up your chart of accounts, which is a list of all the accounts used to track your company's financial activity. QuickBooks provides a default chart of accounts, but you can customize it to fit your specific needs. Create new accounts by selecting the Lists menu and then Chart of Accounts. Now, let's move on to setting up your customers and vendors. Select the Customers menu and then Customer Center to create a new customer. Enter the customer's name, address, and contact information. You can also set up payment terms and credit limits. Similarly, select the Vendors menu and then Vendor Center to create a new vendor. To enter transactions, select the Banking menu and then Make deposits to record customer payments. Select the Vendors menu and then enter Bills to record vendor invoices. You can also use the Invoices menu to create and send invoices to customers. To track your company's financial performance, use the Reports menu to generate financial statements, such as the balance sheet and profit and loss statement. You can also use the budgeting and forecasting tools to create and manage your company's budget. Best practices for using QuickBooks Desktop include regularly backing up your company file, reconciling your bank accounts, and reviewing your financial statements to ensure accuracy and completeness. It's also important to stay up to date with the latest software updates and security patches. In conclusion, QuickBooks Desktop is a powerful accounting software that can help small businesses manage their finances efficiently. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of QuickBooks and make informed financial decisions to drive your business forward.